What's the gross weight of the Explorer? Let's find out. I don't even know how much the Explorer weighs. Dry weight, 859 pounds. 18.5 times 6.1. That's 122.85. Or 112.85. Excuse me, my dyslexia is kicking in. So 859. That's 971.85 pounds with a full tank of gas. Then you put in 3 quarts of oil. And that's 2 pounds. So that's plus 6 pounds. All right, 977. And, battery. Forgot the weight of a battery because their dry weight does not include a battery. 13.5 is the average weight of a battery. That's 991 pounds. Engine coolant. You are correct. How many quarts of engine coolant is there? It takes 5 quarts. 2 pounds per quart. All right, so that's another 10 pounds. Let's add 10 pounds onto this. We're at 1,001 pounds. That is your curb weight for an Explorer Pro for you to be able to fire it up and go is 1,001 pounds. That's no gear on it. That's no fire extinguisher. So who can tell me the weight of a, just for fun, I don't know why I'm doing this right now, guys. I'm probably going to piss some people off. But Kawasaki Ultra 310LX weight. 1089. Woo! Really? 1089. Subtract 1089. What's our difference? 87 pounds. All right. Hey, guys. Thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to Playlists, and then click on Live Sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.